Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to update everyone on my experiences with the Motorola Razr Plus after using it for the last 72 hours. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to update everyone on my experiences with the Motorola Razr Plus for the last 72 hours. I've been having it for about 72, it's close to 72, I think it's like 65 hours, but who's really counting? In this video, I'm going to give you my updated experiences with it for after using it for the last 3 days. Go over some things I like, some things I dislike about it. To be 100% honest, I have been really enjoying my experiences with this phone. I have been missing out on the flip game since, the Z Flip 1 came out. And I'm really enjoying this, and it's shocking because I used to say I would never get a flip phone. I don't know if it's the external display, I don't know if it's Motorola, just software, I don't know what it is, but I am really enjoying this phone and I'm excited to use it. I mean, I have the S23 Ultra, I have the Oppo Find N2, I had the OnePlus 11, or I still have the OnePlus 11 somewhere. I also have like the nothing phone. So I have many different phones, but I haven't been that excited to use a phone like this in a while. And it's really enjoyable. So in this video, like I said earlier, I'm gonna get into the things I really like about it. The first thing is the 6.9-inch POLED panel. This has a refresh rate of 165 Hertz. It is smooth, it has great colors. Watching YouTube on here is great. You don't really have any hiccups or stutters. So the display, when you're watching YouTube videos and stuff like that, it is beautiful. No complaints there. The game changer though is this external display here. There's so much things you can do with this external display. I mean, I can watch YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. You can actually even play Asphalt 9 on here. Yes, it's a little bit difficult. Let's see if I can get it started. Alright, so Asphalt 9 on that external display. Look how loud it is too. Now, is it the best? Is it the biggest, screen? No. Would I recommend playing on this? No. But the idea that you can is crazy. And it is louder. I mean, it plays it. It's crazy to think about it. So, this external display is just a game changer. And believe it or not, if I want to text something, let's just go to anyone on here. If I want to text someone, the screen is not that small. You can actually text pretty easily and do whatever you want, And it's not hard to text at all. Plus, you have other games on here. No events, it's hot in Texas, but you have these other games. These are pretty fun too. Then you get your briefing, and just the different functions on here is really great. I mean, you can change the wallpaper, you can set up whatever you want, and it's really great to have, and it's easy to work with, and it gets bright too. So the external display on here is a game changer with the Razr. Also, the overall design, no gap in the hinge. The hinge is flexible. The crease on there is still not that noticeable. Will it get worse? It might. It might get worse, but right now, there's no, I mean, the crease is there. You can see it, but it's really, man. And the overall design, I love the color of this phone. I love the vegan leather, the faux vegan leather. The hinges, I mean, overall, this is a great design. I think Razr and Motorola, I think Motorola nailed it with that external display. The way you can use it, I spent a lot of time just on this display here. And not opening the phone, like returning text and stuff. That external display is a game changer for this phone, yo. If you have like the Flip 4 or the Flip 3, some other phone that has a small display, if you pick up this one, you will be shocked on how better this display is. Using this as an everyday phone has been great. Texting on it, making speaker calls, you know, doing the Facebook stuff, Instagram. Using the phone as an everyday phone has been really good. No complaints there either yet. Battery life seems like it's going to be okay. The one thing I noticed too is that it will not count your screen on time when you use the external display. It only counts it from the main display, which is kind of weird because it's not really accurate, because I can stay on that front display. Now, it won't use a lot of energy when you're using that external display, but it doesn't count the screen on time. At least that's what I read somewhere, I think on their website. But the battery life, no complaints there. Still learning. I can get through a day and a half without any issues and not have a problem there too. The other thing on here, the speakers, the dual speakers sound really good. You heard it during that game. The dual speakers on here are really, really good. No complaints there either. The only complaint I have, the one point where it could do some improvement on, and hopefully with more updates, Motorola will update it and get it fixed. The cameras on here are probably the weakest point on this phone. I did a camera test. Go check it out. Y'all let me know if y'all haven't seen that yet. And I would say the cameras are the weak point. Now, are they horrible? No. I love how you can use that out of display as a viewfinder and do vlogs with this at 4K at 30. That is perfect. It's a great thing. But just the overall quality when you compare it to like even a Flip 4 or my S23 Ultra, it is not, the quality is not as good as you would expect from a $1,000 phone. So with the Snapdragon processor in here, the 3800 milliamp hour battery, the screens on this phone, the Motorola features on here with Android 13, this makes this phone really enjoyable to use. I love that software. I love the little features you get with Motorola. Overall, the experience with the phone has been great. Stay tuned to the channel. If I have any more updates, I will let y'all know. I might come back with a week later, 2 weeks later. I am going to keep this phone for a long time, so I will update y'all, you know, when I feel like I need to. Stay tuned to the channel. The camera test is live. I might do another camera test later on once we get some improvements with the cameras. I will let y'all know when that comes out. Let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see. I'm going to do a gaming review really soon on here. I know someone else wants to know, you know, can you do video calls? Oh, that's one thing too. With the external, you can do duo calls on the external display. You can do Snapchat photos and videos on here and make Snapchat calls. And you can use these cameras down here to do all that too. So you don't even have to open your phone up. You can use it like that also. So that answered that question. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Razr Plus. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.